How to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account temporarily, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deactivating your Instagram account is already a temporary process, so you don't have to worry about that. So for this, you want to open up the Instagram application, tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen, then just make sure to tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Go to the option known as Account Center. From Account Center, you want to simply scroll down to the Personal Details tab, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, selecting the appropriate Instagram account you would like to deactivate. Select the option called Deactivate. It will already get selected by default, so you can tap on Continue button here. Once you tap on Continue, the final step would be to enter your password to verify it. Once you enter your password, your Instagram account will get temporarily deactivated. That's all it takes to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.